Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. I started my YouTube channel about a year ago, and we just hit 750 subscribers. My next goal is 1,000 subscribers. If you've ever gotten anything useful from my videos, Medicare, health insurance, wait, what does that actually mean? Stuff. Would you please help me cross the finish line? First, hit subscribe. It's free, and it helps a ton. Second, if you know someone who's confused about Medicare, share this with them. And tell me in the comments, what topic should I cover next? Medicare, Social Security, or insurance jargon translated into English? I'd love to hear your suggestions about what I should cover next. Thank you.